Hey, we're here at the Mermaid House. That is too loud. Hey guys, this is the Millennial Mermaid, and I just got back from my first ever Mermaid Convention. The California Mermaid Convention was hosted in Sacramento by the Dive Bar Mermaids and Pixie tribe. It was, for me, 4 days of just mermaid madness. All weekend I was kind of battling losing my voice because I was just talking so much. Speaking of which, if we met over the weekend and I just talked your ear off, I'm sorry, I talk a lot. But basically it started with Friday morning, leaving here around 7 a.m. and then we picked up some mermaids at the airport. What's up guys? We've just picked up our MerFriends! And we went to the thrift store. What? Because I needed shoes for the weekend. These and this were $7. $7. I stayed with Mermaid Zari, Mermaid Spectra, Mermaid Alaria, Mermaid Mezzie, and myself and my friend Sydney. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use mermaid names because as I was meeting everyone, I'm already not good at names. And so learning everyone's real name and mermaid name, it was just twice as hard. We went to the airport to pick up Spectra and Kelly. Nope, those are the same person. We went to Costco, make sure we got enough stuff to live. We actually had Elisa come, and she is a photography student from Belgium. And she's actually doing her master's on the people behind mermaiding. So she came over and we were able to do some photos and hang out with her for a bit. We got the working mer. We got the photographer. On the deck and splash like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Friday night after the shoot, we got into some little going out clothes and definitely mermaid themed. Hello everyone. We're on to the opening ceremony over at the Dive Bar Sacramento, and they have like this amazing mermaid tank. We've never been there, so we're just super excited to just get all mermaided out. And so excited! Yes! I think we're gonna get some margaritas or mimosas. Martinis. Yes! And they were having a crown contest. It was actually my first exposure to really, you know, mermaid minorities getting kind of some, you know, not cool judgment. And it was really people saying stuff about mermen, like really, you know, oh, a merman can't take the mermaid's crown. We can't let a guy out mermaid us. And I have to tell you, yes, they can, and they did. Merman Icarus was the king of the con. I hope that you got to see him there. I got to see Mermaid Rachel perform in the Dive Bar tank, and if you've never been there, I definitely recommend checking it out in Sacramento. They have the tank set up, and it's literally like performances. And they had lights and choreography and some music, and it was just an experience. Like, if you like Disneyland or mermaids or anything kind of fantasy or cosplay, go there and check it out because they really do a phenomenal job. So then after that, we decided to go home, and we literally just passed out because the next day was the real convention.